Hello everybody, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor here in Amsterdam at the 2023 IADC Advanced Rig Technology Conference. And with me right now is a guy who spoke at this conference today, Dennis Vollmar, Creative Director at Voll Marintek. He's going to be speaking a little bit about the lean machine. It's a modular system for rigs. He's going to tell us a little bit more about it and sort of the value that it provides. So Dennis, thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So, the lean machine, it is a fascinating name, fascinating system. Can you explain a little bit about what it is and what challenges you're hoping to solve with it?
Of course, the lean machine is driven by the well decommissioning requirements. All the organizations, they're getting leaner, they're looking at solutions which also offer a lean concept. It's a modular block structure which basically allows you to customize to the different requirements, which means the different application sets inside of the modular system allows you to configure to your requirements, which means you only mobilize the equipment which will be utilized, allowing adaptable day rate model for the operator.
So in your presentation here at the conference, you kind of went into what some of all these different modules are, and in the amount of time that we have here, maybe we can't go into all of the detail that you provided, but maybe for our viewers you can explain a little bit about what some of these modules are.
Sure. So our main focus was on the well decommissioning market, reducing non-productive time like the hoisting, and as well, for example, increasing the automation of the unit. The system consists of a core dual hoisting system, which is split in two hoisting systems, allowing to have two separate hoisting systems working in separate directions or the same direction, enabling a really fast tripping speed, and as well the building block structure allows to align to different regional requirements.
So what are some of the differentiators between this system and, say, another modular system?
The main differentiator is we are bridging the gap between hydraulic walkover units and modular drilling rigs. So conventional hydraulic walkover units, they are lacking of the hoisting speed, and as well manual handling is quite intensive. On the other hand, we have modular drilling rigs, which unfortunately require a lot of time to assemble. So we combined all the strengths of the two systems in a synergy to create this lean machine.
So you talk about sort of faster tripping speeds. It makes me think a little bit about sort of non-productive time. So what kind of impact does a system like this have on NPT?
Sure. When we look, for example, at P&A operations, 50% is represented by hoisting pipeline operations. And when we are able to reduce the overall time in this through a dual hoisting system as well, integrating automated system, we have a consistent tripping speed and basically also reduce the staff operating at the drill floor level.
What would you say are some of the obstacles to sort of scaling this technology, getting it out there to the masses?
Sure. The main obstacle which we currently have is we are a small startup company with this design available. We're currently looking for the right partners which can give us the right push to bring this system into the market, to commercialize it and deploy it in its first field.
So we're going to see a little bit more of the system moving forward out there. How close are we to seeing it out there in the field and ready to go for everybody to use?
I hope very soon. We have just finished the basic feed study and are currently looking for partners who can financially support us in deploying the solution as well. So we're looking into a pilot project which shows the main benchmarks can be achieved, which we have developed so far in our system.
Well, Dennis, thank you so much for taking the time to tell us a little bit more about this lean machine as we see it go out there into the market, hopefully sometime in the near future here. Thanks again for being out here at this conference. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you very much for this opportunity. See you soon.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.